So good morning, and thanks for, first of all to the organizers, and thanks for this invitation. Thanks for the warm welcome from Canada, at least warmer than climate. My job today is to start everything and break the ice. So I will try to do it by showing you some interesting examples from our last innovation, from our last development. We succeeded. So I will start with this. Okay, of course. Should be. Should be. Okay, turning board. So I will take a few minutes just to introduce who I am and what Da Polonia is. Da Polonia is an engineering company based in Italy, in Genova. We are more than 700 engineers located in 7 cities in Italy. So the headquarters is Genova, then we have Milano, Rome, we have Naples, Brindisi, Viareggio, Palermo. We have so many offices all around Europe. That's mainly our market for the moment. But we have already founded few offices all around the world. So Asian countries for us is a priority. But we have just started a new office in Washington just 2 weeks ago. So I think it will be a good chance for coming back here for next businesses. We are partner of the European Space Agency since 1991, and this is where everything started, because the European Space Agency gave us a contract for the technology transfer program they would like to carry on. I mean, they asked us to review their patents, the patents they developed in the space sector, and find out how to transfer them onto Earth, onto industrial production. And then, well, it worked. We found a few interesting technology transfers at that time, and then we said, okay, why not to extend this vision and this approach to all industrial fields? So trying to match, trying to transfer technologies from one sector to another, not just from space to automotive or from automotive to space, but automotive to textile, textile to space, space to agri-food, and so on. So now we are working with everyone. Small, medium enterprises, startups, large multinational companies, public bodies. We are one of the top consultant companies for the European Commission, and they usually ask us about roadmaps for next development and next technologies. What we offer, starting from that previous experience in 1991, is now a structured path towards innovation. We start from understanding the trigger that a customer has for investing in new products and in development, in innovation. And we can go on improving products, technologies, performances of processes. We can find out and overcome limitations that can be technical, but not only technical. I was speaking about how we manage IPR during the innovation process. Then we can go so far until prototyping, validation tests, and supporting our customer in entering the new markets. So, this is our receipt for innovation, starting from idea generation in a very structured way, and going on until the product is on the shelf of the supermarket, let me say. Now that we know each other a little bit more, I can start speaking about what we did according to this approach in the field of textiles. Textiles, you know, are, well, a very huge sector in Italy, but unfortunately, this is still a very traditional field in Italy for Italian companies. And of course, it was one of the first sectors suffering the crisis. Then, maybe it's for this reason that so many customers came to us, asking for new ideas, innovations, new products, maybe not making a revolution inside their factories, but leveraging on their already secured IPR, on their knowledge, on their know-how, on patents, on machinery. So what we did is to, well, give to our customers support according to our approach of innovation. Keeping in mind this, textiles are made by humans to answer their needs. As a consequence, well, these needs, these human needs, change time by time, and so textiles had to change. At the beginning, they just needed to warm me up. Now, textiles are needed for several different reasons, because the needs changed. But for answering these new needs, these changing needs, we also need new materials and new technologies to be mixed up with textiles, with traditional textiles, and producing something new. So, in general, how to approach a product development, how to see if the product I have in mind is a winning product. I mean, several times some entrepreneurs came to me saying, I have a great idea. Okay, usually my job is difficult at the beginning, since this entrepreneur is really in love with his idea, because it's his idea. But before saying it's a winning idea, we need to really know if this idea has at least two characteristics. The first one is this product going to answer a future need? Because unless, no one will pay for it. And is this idea technically feasible? If the answer is yes to both answers, then we have the real good idea for a new product. Okay, let's start to see how to answer the first question. Is this product, is this idea going to answer a real need, a real challenge we are going to face? Okay, we studied a lot the future megatrends, which is something that an innovation firm should have clear in his mind. I mean, megatrends is something that says what humans will need and which challenges we are going to face, not today, but in 5 years. Usually when you have an idea of a new product, it costs at least 5 years, 6 years of development before seeing this product really on the market. So, is the need of humans in 6 years a need that can be answered by this product? This is the challenge we have to, this is the answer we have to find. And so we studied a lot of publications. We are still keeping studying publications of scientists, of the technology reviews from the Massachusetts Institute. So, and we found 3 fundamental pillars on which future products shall be based. First of all, biosphere is under attack. I was speaking about climate, also in Italy. Someone said, okay, let's, I hope you can bring some sun here. Not at all. I'm going maybe to bring some flood, since Italy is becoming a tropical country. That's the reality. And this is because climate changes. So climate changes are going to bring some problems. Scarcity of water, higher demand of materials, so pressure on raw materials, migration of people, new norms, new lifestyles, of course, and new technologies for the environment protection. Then, another pillar is about demography and society. Well, in 15 years, we will be more than 8 billion people, so demography will change. We will be older, we will be more fat than now. Multiracial societies and very urbanized. Of course, the public health system, the pension system is already under pressure. It will be more under pressure. And of course, there will be a boom of robotics, of new sports, of new lifestyles, increased sport system and increased share economy. Women seen as a center of society. And the last one is the global economy. Newcomers as rich countries, new north, Greek, Brazil, Russia, India, China. The sharing, the new social economy, the sharing economy, smart accessories, smart economy. This is real. You can experience in your life already today, and you can see how it can be in 5, 10, 15 years. We need to know this before starting to develop the product. Then we have to find out if the product is technically feasible. So, which technologies we have? Well, the European Commission defined that the technologies we need to support by financial funding and future development are those where knowledge and capital intensive technologies associated with high research, high development, intensity, rapid, integrated innovation cycles, high capital expenditure, and highly skilled employment. This is a definition from European Commission. With this definition, European Commission defined 6 key enabling technologies, the so-called CATs, which are the technologies on which European Commission, well, the whole Europe, is going to focus its efforts in the next, at least in the next 7 years, with the new framework program Horizon 2020. It's nanotechnology. It's micro to nano electronics. Of course, miniaturization is a challenge. Industrial biotechnology, seen as an answer to food needs, to new fuel, new materials, sustainable materials. Photonics, laser, ion beams for manufacturing, for marking, for medicine. Advanced materials, we are going to speak about them. And of course, advanced manufacturing system and technologies, which is a larger key enabling technology, quite transversal to all of them. Additive manufacturing, electrical discharge manufacturing, low carbon manufacturing technologies. Well, these are the key for saying if the idea the entrepreneur has in mind is technically feasible. So now, first of all, we answer to the first question: is this idea going to win on the market? Well, if it's going to answer a future need, yes. Is it technically feasible? Well, let's check if the technologies today available through our method, I mean patent mining, our network, our knowledge, our goal through innovation can answer. Well, if the answers are both yes, we are now going to present a new product. So, let's recall my first slide. Textiles are made by humans to answer their needs. Textiles changed as these needs changed. So, now we are we have now a lot of new technical textiles, and new textile applications thanks to the use of new technologies. So this is the first success story I'm going to present. Okay, I don't know if there's maybe a pointer here. Yes. So, Flybag. Flybag is a project which has already been demonstrated, and it's now going to appear on the market. We are making the very last refinement, not technical refinement, more something about law and directives. We will speak about this. Okay, let's start from the megatrend. Well, a megatrend, every one of you know, is that the world is experiencing political instability, and of course, it's sad but true, increase of terrorism. This is a need, and a product that can answer to this need is going to win on the market. We had some enabling technology, advanced 3D textile and composite textile. So the idea was, Flybag has developed a bond-resistant, bond-proof textile bag against possible terrorism attacks on flight. Of course, if you can develop such product, you will definitely put it in the market, and you will definitely win. The heart of innovation is represented by the advanced materials we used. We used some advanced textiles, some advanced fiber like aramide, dyneema, and mixed textiles of carbon and polypropylene. But also, we used some extra strong zip. And well, this is from everything started. One of our customers produces zip. That's very traditional. Everyone has a zip in this room. They said, okay, we are selling normal zip in the traditional market. What can we do? This is an idea. Okay. So let's see if it works. Probably I have to press. Just a question. Do you know? Does anyone here know what happens when a bomb explodes in an airplane? I mean, do you really know what happens? Maybe, James, you can press it. Don't be scared. I was not too close when it exploded. I think that no one can survive. No. Okay, before starting the video, we developed this Flybag. This is the Flybag, and this is shaped for, you know, we have probably seen some of this geometry in the cargo stations of airports. So this is a kind of quantity of C3 TNT. The same quantity was inserted here and updating the standards of airways companies before selling it into the market. Okay, now another success story. The megatrend. How can textile help? Well, they can protect optical fiber sensor. And this is what happened. So this is a small house mounted, you can press it, mounted on a fake earthquake Thank you. Good. quick, and well, no structural damages appeared in this small house thanks to this technology. Then a new success story is we used again advanced technologies, advanced 3D textile and advanced composite textile. Well, we developed a new way for collecting with textile this oil. We developed some structures, mock braid, net braid, treated non-woven, and some artificial grass to make a big strip of 3D textile that comes back to the ship, it's cleaned, goes back to the sea, absorb more oil, and again and again. It works like this. This is a small-scale prototype. We are going to scale it up. In the ship in the future, it's cleaned by just squeezing it. It goes back on this, well, not this one, the one on the smaller ship. You can go through all around the big oil dispersion on the sea and clean it up in, well, few days. I could break the ice in a good manner. Well, we spoke about water island also there, and you know, islands have a problem, water. There is no water, and there's even less water. This is a problem. Okay, so this is a need. If you can solve it, you will sell this product. The enabling technology, advanced materials and advanced electronics. Refresh is a textile-based solution for fresh water supply to small islands. Okay, let's see how it works. This is a concept coming from what is called water bag technology. Water bag technology already exists, but water bags are so big that it's not so easy to manage, not so easy to fill them up with water, not so easy to transport. We developed this concept, modular concept, so not a big bag, but well, I think 50 tons of water inside. We are going to scale it up with 10 more. That can be transported by small ships from the land to islands. And yeah, so we need to. No, you can go on the presentation.
Mechanics tend to shrink during the process. This is a disadvantage if you need to produce a particular
Ships and make an extra service. So a win-win solution for everyone. This is the new bag, the extra large XXL refresh bag we are developing now. And as I said, is no, okay, not one. Here we used some PVC, well, some polyester fiber with PVC, food grade, of course, and coated with extra UV resistant coating, of course, because we don't want. And this is the bottom. Thank you.